Hey guys, welcome to Financially Free. My name is Scott, and on this channel I'm going to be teaching you how to become financially free at any age on any income. It doesn't matter if you're making £10,000 a year or £100,000 a year. All the strategies I will be showing you on this channel will provide you with the knowledge and know-how to become financially free. So, in today's video, we are going to be discussing retiring early and how you can set yourself free from the 9 to 5 rat race. So, I want to picture something right now for you. Imagine waking up in the morning, stress-free, knowing you haven't got to go to work for 9 AM. You've got the whole day to yourself. The days are yours, absolutely all yours. Free as a bird to do whatever you want and when you want and how you want. The bills you need to pay, well, they're already paid. The house you once rented or mortgaged, it's now yours. The car you drive is not financed and you can book a holiday to anywhere for whatever price. This sounds incredible, doesn't it? It's almost unachievable. But let me tell you, it isn't. It's very doable. So, here in the UK, you need to be 67 in order to gain a pension from the government. Now, a pension is defined by a regular payment made by the state to people of or above the official retirement age. And like I said, guys, the retirement age in the UK is 67. Let that sink in. Let that sink in for a minute. You gain this pension from the government so that you no longer need to work and earn a living. Now, who wants to work the rest of their life working on someone else's dream, earning a minimum wage and retiring at 67? Definitely not me, and I hope that you watching right now, I hope you don't want to either. Unfortunately, if you do want to retire early in the UK, you must have sufficient funds stashed away to keep yourself and possibly your family going, or sourcing another way to generate income to sustain you over the coming years. So this is something I will be discussing over the upcoming videos. I'm going to be discussing how you can generate money without giving away your time, because guys, time is very precious. Now, time is something that we give away on a regular basis because that's how humans in this day and age function. We give away our precious time for money. We can always get more money, but we can't get more time. And this is why I value my retirement and having the ability to retire early. In the next coming videos, I will be discussing theories and analysing how other people have managed to retire early. I also plan on getting some of those people onto the channel so that they can discuss their tactics and strategies whilst also talking about investments, and I'm going to be providing you with investment tips and tricks. And lastly, guys, I'll be discussing frugality and how you can live frugal in order to achieve financially freedom. So guys, if this is something you like the sound of, then hit that subscribe button and join me and many others on this journey of financially freedom. Be different, use your time wisely, because like I've stated, time is something you will never get back. So that's all for today's video. It's just been a bit of an introduction video, and like I said, be sure to subscribe to join me on this journey. Leave your comments in the comment section down below and provide your thoughts on early retirement. I'll see you next time.